Thing. Here, just aim this at the crowd. Get Austin, get those guys. It's a wide angle thing, so it's recording right now.
George, are you all ready over there? All ready?
How do I turn it off?
No, just keep it going. Always.
I can do this and take pictures.
You want to take a picture? You want to do this and grab a boat. You know what? This doesn't get sound. I guess you don't need sound.
I think it's so funny that the little kids are supposed to wear the hats and the big kids are like,
.224. Oh, that bow boat's going to get going good. Look at this. That's okay. Don't worry, Jesus Christ. What happened? Come on, pirates! Steer that boat!
Jump on, swim, Billy! Swim him in!
You gotta turn the rudder!
Swim it in, guys! Swim it in! Oh, little guys are doing good! Come on, guys! Paddle, paddle!
Come on, guys! You guys are starting to move! Go, go, go!
Get it going!
Come on! Maddie, Danny, Quincy, Logan, you're starting to move!
You guys are the best pirates ever! You win! Woo! Come on! Come on! Go, Quinn!
Come on, guys! Come on! Come on, guys! You can take that lead! Paddle, paddle, paddle hard! They had a failed attempt. Come on, Danny! Come on, Maddie!
Strongest boy in the world! Go, Danny! Come on, pirates! Come on, pirates! Come on, you're going for a trophy! Come on, you're gonna get second! Go, go, go!
They got second.
Are they there already?
No, but they kind of have it secured.
Come on, Jerry, you're in second place!
Come on, guys!
coach him to get third. Austin!
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 Oh,
Ben!
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 Can you turn it off and back on? 'Cause